How to use the Grab Express voucher. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use the Grab Express voucher. First of all, open up the GrabPay app. Once you get into the app, tap on Express from the top bar. After that, you can book any delivery from here. You might find the best solution from here. So tap on the question, how to use Grab Express voucher. The answer for this question is, first of all, open your Grab app and tap on Express. Now fill in the recipient's name, mobile number, and additional drop-off details. Before confirming the booking, click Add an offer under Payment Details. Then click Use Now on the voucher. The discount will be applied to the quoted delivery fee. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.